Fall is the beginning of evil. Wasp zombies. Watch out. Something about tranquility until it stops. And just when you think that's the worst the morning can get, the crows interrupting your filming, oh no, there is yet another thing to come that was more terrifying than the ear-piercing crows of this morning. The plan was to go out into the yard to check on my butternut squash, but I had 3 wasps interested in stinging my face. So I know not to wave my hands at the wasp or swat at the wasp, because once you swat at the wasp, they're going to sting you and they'll call their buddies to come get you. Yes, they will. They call the army. So I don't know what I was doing with the camera. I was trying to just sort of block and not swat at them, but block them from my face with the camera, trying to put the camera between me and the 3 or 4 wasps that were there. I don't know what they were after, but I did have a coffee before I went out, and it had sweetener and it had creamer in it. So maybe they smelled the sweetness on my lips from the coffee, and I'd just taken a sip before I went outside. So this is the outcome of the butternut squash video segment, and then I turned around and I quickly just came back indoors and went, oh well, I'll go out earlier tomorrow and see, which I did this morning, and everything was fine. But I forgot to take the camera with me, so ho hum. Better luck next time. But remember, folks, if you see a wasp, don't swat at her, because they'll get you. Yes, they will. They'll get you. And if you think that's bad, watch out for the giant mosquitoes. They're just as evil.